Welcome to our channel. Did you know that constantly repeating congratulations can sometimes sound unremarkable? Let's spice up our vocabularies and explore some fresh alternatives. First up, well done. This is perfect for acknowledging someone's hard work and effort. It's enthusiastic and conveys genuine pride in their achievement. Another great option is bravo. It's not only fun to say, but also adds a touch of drama and flair to your commendation. For a more personal touch, try saying, "I'm so proud of you." It shows a deeper level of personal appreciation and connection. If you're in a formal situation, "I commend you for your great achievement," elevates the standard of your congratulations, making it sound more dignified. For accomplishments that involved creativity or innovation, "What an impressive feat" is a perfect fit. It highlights the uniqueness of the achievement. In casual scenarios, a simple "you did it" can be incredibly affirming. It's direct, joyful, and packs a punch of positivity. For those who've shown great improvement or persistence, "Look how far you've come" is excellent. It acknowledges a journey of growth and improvement. When someone's efforts finally pay off, saying "your hard work truly paid off" can be very gratifying to hear, emphasizing their dedication. Sometimes a little humor helps, so try "you've set the bar high." It's a lighthearted way to commend someone while poking fun at their high standards. Lastly, mix and match these expressions based on the occasion and your relationship with the person. Personalization makes your congratulations even more special. Remember, the way we say things can make as much impact as what we're saying. Keep practicing these phrases and use them to enrich your everyday communications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.